Hi, Chad here with Purple Collar Life. In today's video we're talking about mirrors, and specifically the mirrors on this 2010 Ford Ranger and adding blind spot mirrors. If you watched a previous video on the channel, you know that I just got this 2010 Ford Ranger. But that before I had the Chevy Volt, I owned a 2006 Ford Ranger. And that 2006 Ford Ranger did have blind spot mirrors on these outside mirrors that made it much easier to see vehicles and objects in the blind spots. It also gave a more convex mirror so I could see when I'm backing up exactly where my tires are. I can see curbs. So I got a set of blind spot mirrors off of Amazon. I'll put a link down below. And today I want to install those mirrors. We'll go step by step through what it takes to install those, and then we'll do a quick review on the mirrors that I bought. Now these mirrors got pretty good reviews on Amazon, but the first thing I noticed when I got them, all the packaging is in Chinese, except for the end panel on each side. So the entire front and the entire back are in Chinese. Even though it's in Chinese, I think we can pretty much figure out what to do from the step-by-step instructions. So the first thing I want to do is pick where on the mirror I want to install this mirror. So we're gonna go ahead and open this package up. And it's pretty cheapy plastic packaging. It does include like a scraper, I'm guessing for removing it. It includes a cleaning kit and 2 mirrors. It also has 2 additional stickies, 3M adhesive stickies. But there is already 3M on the back of it. And one of the things I liked about these ones were that they themselves were adjustable within their frames. That was one of the major things that sold me on picking these ones out. So I believe on my old Ranger, on my 2006, these were up in the upper corner, like that. I know some people put them in the lower corner. I think it's best to have them on the outside of the mirror rather than the inside. So I'm going to choose either the upper or the bottom corner. So I'm going to get in the truck, set this in its place, and see which position I like better. Okay, so if it's down here, it lets me see down the side of the truck pretty good. I can always adjust it in or out. It's up here, it's really just about the same. So I guess it's more a question of which area of the actual mirror do I not mind losing visibility in. So if I'm in my normal driving position, that's kind of high up into the outside. I think it's going to be more valuable to me to be up high. So I believe I'll select this upper corner of the mirror to install my new blind spot mirror. I'm going to go ahead and use a Norwex window cloth. If you've watched the channel, you saw I used this on the cab of the John Deere 2210, and it worked great for cleaning the glass of the cab. And I want these windows to be nice and clean. And while we're waiting on those mirrors to dry now, I'll go ahead and use this Norwex cloth to do the inside of the windshield. Now I use my dry window cloth. Just wipe everything off. Now we're going to take our first mirror, peel the paper backing off of the adhesive, get ourselves lined up here with the top and the side edge, and press. Let's get this adjusted. It's actually already pretty good. I'm gonna go out and down just a little bit. So that's nice. I can see all the way down to the tire if I'm backing up to a curb. I can see out in the blind spot where the camera is. So I think I'm really going to like having those blind spot mirrors installed. We'll go ahead and do the other side the same way. Lined up with the edges. Now I'm putting my finger on the back of the actual mirror to hold it in place as I push on the new mirror. And then I'll need to get back in the truck and get that adjusted properly since I have pushed on it. So I need to come up. And then this one needs to come in and down. Now this little Ranger does not have power mirrors, so I need to make these adjustments and then go back in and check it each time. So I'll comment down below in a couple weeks, below this video, on how these are holding up. I'm curious, as the doors open and close, how stable the mirror adjustment inside the new blind spot mirrors will be. So if the door gets closed, is it going to jiggle around and change the adjustment of that mirror? That's my question. If you like videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, plus the little bell beside it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again the next time.